When you hear in the world of artificial intelligence that a model has 8 billion, 22 billion, or even 70 billion parameters, these numbers might seem pretty intimidating and abstract at first. Yet the concept behind them is infinitely simple. In AI models, parameters, also known as weights, are essentially the network of the AI's knowledge, memories, and brain cells. During training, the AI doesn't memorize the actual text or images. Instead, it fine-tunes these parameters. Think of it like a massive mixing console with billions of tiny sliders. When the model learns something new, it subtly adjusts these sliders to the most optimal position. But what exactly is a parameter in practice? There's no magic involved. In their physical reality, these parameters are simply numbers. More specifically, floating point decimal fractions, like 0.0024 or -0.851. When people say a model has 22 billion parameters, it means the AI's internal logic is built from 22 billion of these decimal fractions and the connections between them. Since these are floating point values, running them requires serious memory. And this is precisely why models eat up your graphics card's VRAM. The math is simple. At default precision, storing 1 billion parameters takes up roughly 2 gigabytes of VRAM. So, running a 22 billion parameter model off the bat would require at least 44 gigabytes of VRAM on your card unless we use compression tricks. What is the difference between having many or few parameters? Models with fewer parameters, for instance 1 to 8 billion, are extremely fast and can easily run offline on your own laptop or a decent smartphone. While they might struggle with complex philosophical connections or intricate logical tasks, they are perfect for simpler jobs like summarizing, translating, or quick note-taking. On the other hand, models with massive parameter counts, for example over 70 billion, are like professional scientists trained for many years. Their logical reasoning is far superior. Their understanding of connections is deeper. They make fewer mistakes, and they can write complex code or solve tough problems. The downside? They require a huge amount of VRAM, making them impossible to run on home PCs without compression. And the technology is evolving at an incredible pace. While billion-parameter models still take center stage on home machines, the latest giant AI systems like Kimi K3 with its 2.7 trillion parameters are no longer working with billions but trillions of digital knobs behind the scenes. The bottom line, more parameters mean smarter, more nuanced reasoning, while fewer parameters result in faster, cheaper, and more portable performance. If you enjoyed this explanation, click the link, head over to the Digital Actors AI channel, and subscribe for the latest local AI tips and visual wonders.